In the fast-paced digital landscape of 2025, customers demand instant access to online stores. A delay of even 1 second can lead to a 7% reduction in conversions. Imagine your Shopify store making $100,000 daily. A 1-second delay could cost you $2.5 million in lost sales annually. Optimizing your store's speed not only enhances user experience, but also improves your search engine rankings. Google considers page speed a crucial factor in its ranking algorithm. At Task Force Store, we specialize in compressing and resizing images for faster load times, minifying CSS and JavaScript, to streamline code implementing lazy loading for images and videos, reducing the impact of third-party apps, and using browser caching and content delivery networks. Our experts ensure your store loads swiftly, providing a seamless shopping experience that keeps customers engaged and boosts your bottom line. Don't let slow load times hinder your success. Partner with Task Force Store to prioritize speed optimization and watch your sales soar. Visit taskforcestore.com to get started today.